Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we will learn English through a real-life situation. Returning shoes. Imagine you buy shoes from a store, but they don't fit. How can you explain this problem in English? Don't worry. In this lesson, I will show you a simple conversation, explain useful phrases, and give you practice examples. Let's get started. Customer. Hi, I bought a pair of shoes yesterday, but they are too small. Assistant. I see. Would you like to exchange them for a bigger size? Customer. Yes, please. That would be great. Assistant. No problem. Please, bring the shoes and the receipt to the store. Customer. Okay, thank you very much. Assistant, you're welcome. Part 2. Explanation of key phrases to 2 minutes. I bought a pair of shoes yesterday. This is how we say what we purchase. Example. I bought a bag last week. They are too small. We use to plus adjective to show a problem. Example. The shirt is too big. Example. This bag is too heavy. Would you like to exchange them? Would you like is a polite way to offer. Example. Would you like some tea? Please, bring the shoes and the receipt. Receipt means the proof of payment. Example. Do you have the receipt? Part 3. Repeat the dialogue slowly to 1.5 minutes. Customer. Hi, I bought a pair of shoes yesterday, but they are too small. Assistant, I see. Would you like to exchange them for a bigger size? Continue this way for all lines. Part 4. Practice with variations. 1.5 minutes. Now, let's try with other examples. Instead of shoes, hi. I bought a t-shirt yesterday, but it's too big. Instead of yesterday, hi. I bought a jacket last week, but it's too small. Instead of exchange, hi, I'd like to return it for a refund. Encourage viewers to practice aloud. Part 5. Quick role play. 1 minute. Now let's do a role play. I'll be the assistant, and you be the customer. Ready? Let's start. You say, Hi, I bought a pair of shoes yesterday, but they are too small.
I say, I see.
Would you like to exchange them for a bigger size? Continue role play for the whole dialogue. Great job! Today, you learned how to return or exchange an item in English. You practiced key phrases like too small, exchange, and receipt. Try practicing these sentences with a friend or by yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversation lessons. See you in the next video!